Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Teal Truck Center YouTube channel. My name is Jim Teal with Teal Truck Center out of Pleasant Valley, Iowa. So guys, we're a truck dealer in the very eastern side of the state of Iowa, in the area they call the Quad Cities. Our dealership is located on Highway 67, 2 short miles off of Interstate 80. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to give you a walk around on this 2017 F250 4-wheel drive XLT that we have here. You will see we've had this truck about 3 or 4 months, and why? I've been driving it. I use this winter to plow our lot and my drive and driveway. The thing runs and drives great. It's got this really nice Hinneker plow that works great. And we're gonna price this thing right to the point where you need the plow or don't need the plow, you're almost getting it for free. So if you wanna get in the business, make a little extra money, or you got a nice property that you wanna keep clean next winter, here you go. You're getting a nice truck and a Hinneker plow, all for one great price. Guys, this thing's only got 92,000 miles on it. If I believe right, I'm pretty sure this was a one owner prior to me getting it. It is a premium XLT, and we'll get to that. It's got the nicer alloy wheels on it, the Firestone tires, probably 50 to 80% left on those. This is an FX4, so it's got the upgraded shocks there. We do have the clearance lamps on top, tinted glass, factory boards, chrome package, looks really nice. Again, XLT premium. This is FX4, like I said, came to me with a nice bed cover on it, spring-in bed liner. Got the factory hitch back here. We're gonna open it up. He also has a fifth wheel hitch in there. Spring-in bed liner, as you can see, is in nice shape. Close that back up. Does have a big backup camera. Chrome package. It says a 6.2 liter gas engine, guys. Runs good. Plenty of power for what you need. Let's look inside. Again, this is the XLT Premium. So we got power seat on that side, heated seats on both sides, huge radio display with a backup camera, shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive. There's your trailer brake controller. This also has the premium tow package, so has the power fold and extend tow mirrors. Again, 92,000 miles on it. I think I put about 1,000 on it myself. Runs and drives great. WeatherTech floor mats front and back came in it. I'm sure they've been in there since it was new. Back seat's in good shape too, guys. Overall in great shape. I mean, it does have 92,000 miles. Obviously it was a plow truck, so it's got a few little dings and scratches. I'll try to point a few out, but overall is great shape, guys. Like I said, put some miles on it myself. It runs good, plows good, drives good, and the price is gonna be great on it. Again, you get this Hinneker plow, comes with it, guys. Overall in great shape. You know, it's a plow, so it's got a few little bubbles and rust spots down there on the mounts, but it works awesome. We go around. The body's overall in great shape, guys. There's some, little rock chips here and there. Little scratches on the, where people threw stuff into the bed. Not bad though. Not bad. A few scratches. Just light stuff. Nothing. The bumpers aren't all banged in. The sides of the boxes are in good shape. Just normal wear and tear, guys. It is missing that little cap right there. I know those are really easy to get. So, again, great shape, guys. Let me go over and show you that plow. Actually, this is the first truck I've had with a Hinneker, and I was very impressed with it. It works really good. It's quick. It's really easy. One control. Turn it on. Goes up. Side to side real quick. And it drops quick. It all works good. All right, guys. Again, go to our website, tealtrucks.com, THIEL trucks.com. Whether you need a plow truck or not, this truck is a great truck. So buy it for the truck. You don't want the plow, put it on Marketplace, get it sold. But guys, give us a call, 563-424-2000. Go to our website, tealtrucks.com, THIEL trucks.com. Got a bunch of pictures on there of this thing. We do offer financing. We offer delivery, shipping. So just give us a call. We'll work it out, guys. All right. Till next time. Have a good one.